Hello guys, welcome to you. In this video, we are going to see how to add keyframes to audio in Adobe Premiere Pro. That is very easy and simple way, and I give the multiple ways to add keyframes in audio track. That is very easy. First of all, just go to your audio track, just select your audio track, and first way is just go to the effects controls, and here we find volume. Just click on the volume. Okay, now we can find levels. In levels, you can add keyframes. Okay, I can add keyframes anywhere that I want, and I can also give the levels from here. Okay, I just go to the middle of here and I just give the levels, and I can change my level from minus decibel to plus decibel also. Okay, or I want to volume up, then I just go to the up, and I want to volume up, then I just go to the down. Okay, but that is not very easy way. Okay, so easy way, just go to your audio track, and I want to expand my audio track. That is very easy. I give the two ways to expand audio track. First is the just go to the Alt, just press Alt on your keyboard, and just go to the your audio track at here, and just move your mouse wheel up. Okay, rolling wheel up. Then here we find audio. Okay, and you can add from here also. And there is another ways to expand our audio. Okay, another way is just go to the here audio track. Here we find this button at the bottom of our audio. Okay, at this bottom line, and select that and drag this to here. Okay, now here we find audio. Okay, you can add audio from here also. Just go to the audio that we want to. Suppose I want to minimize my audio levels at here or sound level at here, then I select this audio and I add this at here. Okay, and in the middle I just add another, and I just drag this to here. Okay, now it is minus 60 decibel. Okay, and if I want to up the volume, then I just go to the up, and here we find 9, 10 or 11 decibel. Okay, if you want to add it manually, that is very easy. Just go to the here levels, and if you want to 10, then just go to 10. If you want to 2, then 2, minus, then go to the minus. Okay, and there is another way to add keyframe, and that is very easy and simple. On Mac, just press Control. Just go to the Control. I want to add a keyframes at here. Okay, so I just press Control on my keyboard. If you're using Mac, then you can use Command. Okay, Command on Mac. Okay, so I just press at here, and I just click at here. Then we can see plus sign on my mouse cursor. Okay, now I just click at here. Now I just press Control once again, and we can see plus icon at here. Now I can add our next keyframe at here. I just add keyframe at the middle. Okay, now I just go to the up, down, or I can also up and down these keyframes also, and I can add keyframes at anywhere on any audio track. Okay, in any audio track I can add keyframes at anywhere. So I just want to Alt at here, then just go to Alt. Okay, and just add keyframe at middle or anywhere, and I can move up or move down, volume up or volume down by this keyframe. So guys, this is the simplest way to add keyframes in Adobe Premiere Pro in audio track, and we can move up our volume or move down our volume by this simplest way. So guys, thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share, comment on this video, and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you guys.